Now, Sriman Mastan Rao Yadav Bidaji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity, sir. I wish to draw the attention of the
Under what
government
rule?
to the
267 na?
continuing
267 na?
deficiencies in the implementation of
So many times I have given the ruling for 267. Why you are
reservation
insisting
for
on that?
other backward classes, sir. In central government services, public sector
I will come back to
undertakings
him,
and
not
public
on
sector
267.
banks, resulting in denial of equal opportunities
I will come back to him,
millions
not
of
on 267.
deserving OBC youth. The OBC community constitutes more than 50% of the India's population and forms the backbone of India's agriculture, fisheries, transport, MSCs, handicrafts, traditional occupations and rural economy. Yet, despite more than 3 decades having elapsed since the implementation of the recommendation of the Mandal Commission, advocate representation in government employment remains unrealized, sir. The Department of Social Justice and Empowerment data reveal significant deficiency in higher services. As on 1st January 2025, OBC representation is Group A services 20.77%, sir. Group B services 21.81%, sir. These figures clearly indicate that Group A and Group B services continue to remain below the constitutionally prescribed reservation of 27%, sir, thereby limiting OBC participation in policy making, administration, higher decision making positions, sir. Sir, since 2016, more than 4.8 lakh backlog reserved vacancies have been filled, including more than 1.85 lakh OBC backlog vacancies. While this demonstrates government efforts, it also indicates that a substantial number of backlog vacancies had accumulated over the years, necessitating continued special recruitment drives, sir. It is equally concerning that nearly 14 lakh vacancies reportedly continue to exist in central government departments, many of which fall within the ambit of reservation. These vacancies present a significant opportunity to fill the constitutional objective of adequate representation for OBC communities, sir. Sir, another matter of grave concern relates to the recruitment in public sector banks, which function under the administrative control of the government of India. For instance, one such representation regarding
You are doing the same thing outside the parliament. Why you are doing it here?
2023 states that only 2,207 OBC candidates were selected out of 6,139 appointments, representing approximately 3.4% against the constitutionally mandated 27% reservation, sir. The representation also raises concern regarding maintenance of reservation rosters, filling of backlog vacancies and recruitment through alternative channel which may adversely affect the reservation implementation, sir. These allegations merit an independent examination by the government. Sir, under these circumstances, I urge the government to take the following immediate measures, sir. One, order a nationwide independent audit of reservation implementation in all the ministries.
I do it so many times. As long as you shout, I am not going to call anyone. As long as you shout, I am not going to call anyone. No, you continue and complete. Completed? Yes, Sriman Agnes Prasad Singh ji. Sriman Agnes Prasad Singh ji.
You don't have, you give the mic. You don't, sir.
Sir, are you